Hello everyone. So ajker video is a mini haul on all the things I got from Savannah. So Savannah is very kind of expensive, but যখন সেল থাকে the prices are quite low. তো যেরকম অনেক কিছুই লাইক ফোন কেস, লাইক ইউজুয়ালি সাভানাতে একটা ফোন কেস ইজ 500 400 এরকম, তো দ্যাটস টু মাচ অবভিয়াসলি, বাট এই সেলের সময় ইটস 190 200 210, so that's very like almost 50% off. So these sales on Savannah are like chef's kiss. So I think everyone should get their products or like whatever they want to buy in like during the sale season. So okay, we'll start. This is the first thing which I got, a white t-shirt. I'll show you when I puro outfit video ta I'll just show, but this t-shirt is so comfortable and good fitted. I have bought, like I have always searched for a good white t-shirt, karon white t-shirt are so rare to find like a good quality one. So previously I had bought two from one from Roadster. Oh god, it was like I don't know, ওটা একটা extended sleeves ছিল and it didn't fit quite well. আর like যেরকম পিকচারে দেখতে ছিল না, it wasn't like that. So I have many things from Roadster and I love Roadster, but this white t-shirt I couldn't just, it was not up to the mark. So Roadster was a big no. আর ওটা না like একবার ওয়াশ করতেই I don't know, like পুরো like একটা white যে যেরকম this like white, you can see white, but ওইটা একবার না দুবার ওয়াশ করতে পুরো white, like it turned yellowish white. So it didn't look good with anything. I couldn't pair it with anything. I'm sweating like crazy কারণ ফ্যান বন্ধ আর মাইক তো নেই, তো এইভাবেই জুগাড়। এনিওয়েজ, তো এই হোয়াইট টি শার্টটা দিস ইজ সো গুড অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ লাইক ভেরি মিনিমাল অ্যান্ড ফর এভরিডে দিস ইজ জাস্ট I love it, and I think I'll get more t-shirts from Savannah because I love them. This is the first one, but okay. Okay, the second one is this jeans I got from Savannah. I'll show you, like I'll add one clip of it so you can see. This jeans is to die for. The color, the material, the length, the fit, everything is so perfect. The jeans is in the size 28 and it fits like a glove. এতো ভালো jeans I haven't, no I have actually, সেটা was from Pantaloons আর ওটাও was 1400, like 1400 1500. So it, and this jeans is for, I got it for like 1000 or 900 something on sale চলছিল. The actual price is 1200 something, I think one like 1250 or something, the like MRP, but during sale I got it for 990 something, so a huge discount I would say. And this jeans is like so good, I'm like wearing it now. I can show you, okay, I just in the clip you can see, but I'm wearing it and this two looks so good together. It duto like just so pretty. So let's move on, and then this is the bag box I have from Savannah. Okay, and you can see many things. Wait, not this. First thing is this mirror. I don't know if I should show you, like I don't know if you can see. So this mirror I needed one karon like shorts যখন বানাই and I can't see like what I'm doing to my face, আর ক্যামেরায় বোঝা যায় না সেরকম ভালো, সিন্স আমার আইফোন না, আমার অ্যান্ড্রয়েড ফোন, তো আরই বোঝা যায় না। তো তাও আই ট্রাই যতটা পারি ওই কম্প্যাক্টের মিরর দিয়ে, বাট হয় না ওতে। তো দিস ওয়াজ আ মাস্ট ফর মি, লাইক মাস্ট বাই ফর মি, তো আই বট ইট অ্যান্ড আই লাইক ইট। দিস ইজ দ্য লাইক, ও দিস কেম ইন 2 পার্টস, এইটা একটা পার্টে ছিল আর এটা একটা, তো ইউ হ্যাড টু অ্যাটাচ ইট এইখানে, তো ইটস গুড, ইটস ভেরি স্টার্ডি। Then the third product is this comb in pink color. Very acha, এটা আমি দেখেছি like in many like reels and videos of many influencer, so I bought it. And this is like, I have heard this is like very good for hair like me, like I have very frizzy hair, so আমার জন্য this is very gentle and I've tried it, so I would say this is actually very gentle on any kind of hair. So this, and this the bristles are so soft, so you wouldn't feel anything. I'll just show you, and it detangles so easily. I'm not sure, like my hair, I don't know, I have tried so many things, like কত serum use করেছি, then ওই L'Oreal এর Hyaluron ওই shampoo সব use করেছি, but nothing helps, I don't know. Okay. So the next product will be this tote bag, and as a college going student I would say tote bag are essentials. So এইটা was on my wish list, since it's very pretty and very spacious, like come on, who wouldn't buy this? And chainta is so good, even ekhane like samneo you have pockets like this, see, you can keep something like purse, ID card or phone, like here you can keep bottles or something, here lip balm, lip gloss, like me. And I would say tote bag are very essential, because college going student we have to carry notebooks, pens, water bottles, তো লাইক ব্যাকপ্যাক আর কত ইউজ করবো না, বাচ্চা তো না, তো আর স্কুলে গেলে একটা ব্যাগ নিয়ে যাবে, ব্যাকপ্যাক নিয়ে যাবে, ওকে, বাট কলেজে ব্যাকপ্যাক, so tote bag. And this looks good with anything like kurti, t-shirts, I wouldn't say sari, and sari shate you can't pair a tote bag, but kurtis and t-shirts and anything casual tote bag shobe share. So this is a really good purchase for me, and I like this cute strawberry detailing. Next, okay, this is the last one. So this is a cute keychain, I don't know kothay ami lagabo eta, but this is very cute, so I bought it. See, so cute. I was thinking এই ব্যাগে লাগাবো, should we try? Okay, we should. So we'll try on something else. Oh, I can use it on my makeup bag, like here I can, wait. See, this looks cute, I like my makeup bag more now. So that's all, and you can all use my referral code, I'll share the referral code, and you can get 20% like off on like the products you will buy. So I hope that will help, and you will get more discounts obviously. So if you want, I can share my code, I will obviously in the description box, you can check them out. And thanks for watching, bye bye.